Okay, I have a brand new effect for you today, and as you can see I have ace through 6 and ace through 6, and the cards alternate in color. We're not at all interested in the suits, but just the color of the suits, okay? And we'll go ahead and gather these. I'll go ahead and perform something called a Charlier shuffle, and if you'd like to learn this shuffle, I'll add a link in the description below. It's a great way to mix the cards. More importantly, I need you to randomly cut off any number of cards whatsoever. It's a free choice. Spectator would come in here, maybe cut that many. Now I need you to flip face up either portion of the packet. Maybe they'll flip this one face up, that's fine. And now we're going to actually Rosette shuffle these two packets together. Okay, the ones that you decided to cut and which one is face up. Okay, very good. And then we'll deal out into 6 piles, just like this. And then I need you to tell me which order I should pick these up. Top right, bottom left, bottom right, top right, the bottom one, and then the top one. Okay, very good. We can go ahead and just give that a Charlier shuffle as well. And maybe I'll have you come in here and randomly cut it wherever you would like and complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now, in an effort to mix the cards beyond the knowledge of anyone, we're going to use a powerful shuffle that involves the Klondike shuffle. So what you do is you take the top and bottom cards off as one, set them down as is, and then the next pair you flip. Okay, next one just goes down as is, next one is flipped. Down, flip. Okay? Now, a note to you as the performer, you can perform as many of these as the spectator would like you to. That is a true statement, okay? The other mixing you can offer to the spectator to do as many times as they would like is one in which we push off 3 cards, set them down as is, 3 more cards, we flip them. 3 cards, set down as is, the remaining 3 cards, we flip them, okay? And then between those, we can actually do a Charlier shuffles or random cuts performed by you. Would you like to use the Klondike in the way that we did, or this push off 3 any additional times? Klondike, one more time? Okay. So this is where you take the top and bottom, you set it down as is. This one you flip. Next pair down as is. Next one flip. Then down, flip. Okay. And then, as always, we can do a Charlier shuffle with a final random cut decided by you. That's perfect. And then to finish, all we're going to do is just deal out the cards into 2 piles, a left and a right. That's all we're going to do. Okay. So given all of the chaos and the random choices made by you, and the unpredictable interlacing of the cards when we did that Rosette shuffle, would you be surprised to find out that we've essentially brought the cards back to the kind of state they were in at the very beginning? Well, let's just take a look at that. Let's take a look at the left pile. Okay, so what do we have? We have a 6. Okay, here's an ace. We have a 3. We have a 5. We have a 4. And we have a 2. That is amazing. So we have the alternating colors and have them in order. Okay. And then this one, I would imagine, it's going to be exactly the same pattern of alternating colors and a perfect restoration of ace through 6. How in heaven's name is this even possible? Okay, well, it is possible because you just saw it being done. Okay, so what do? Well, you do everything that I showed you. In fact, I showed you the packet at the beginning. And so I think what I'll do for this one is there's quite a few mathematical nuances to why this works. If you actually perform the steps that I showed you, it is guaranteed to work. You'll get this kind of result. But if you want to understand more deeply what's going on, for this one, I think I really will need to add a detailed overview and technical explanation of what's happening at each stage of this routine so that you can understand how all of those steps work together to essentially bring you back to a similar state to the one in which you started. Okay, so take a look at the description below. In fact, right now you could start over if you wanted. I mean, you would just go ahead and just stack these. You do the whole thing again, like right now. And then stack those. This is the kind of thing I started with. And then just do everything I showed you, and you'll finish in a similar way to what we just demonstrated here. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.